Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a hidden album on Google Photos. And let's get started by open Google Photos application and move to collections. So right here we have albums, and I have album to hide my photos, these two photos. What the best? That if we select these photos, we cannot move them to locked folder. Locked folder, so you have two options how to hide your photos. The first option is to move them to archive. Let me show you. So right here we have move to archive or move to locked folder. If you move your photos to archive, you will remove them from the main photos feed, but you can still find them using albums or using search. And if you move your photos to locked folder, you will permanently you will find them only in locked folder, not in the albums, not in the search. I will show you how it look like. So we cannot hide the album, we need to move them to locked folder. Now, so as I said, we cannot move them to locked folder from the album. We need to find them in the main photos feed. So right here and right here I have these photos. But if you move them already to archive, you can move them from archive to locked folder. You need to select some photos in the archive. And right now you still have them in the album, but once you move them to locked folder, you click on the three dots, move to locked folder, it will remove it from the album. And let me show it to you on the example with this album. So I have these photos. Now I move them to locked folder, move. We need to delete them on the iPhone. On Android it will not ask you about it. And now we return to the hide album, and as you can see, we have no photos here anymore. And we can find them in the locked folder. You need to write the password from your device, or if you have if you use desktop version, you need to write the password from your Google account. And now we have these photos. Now, what if you move them back from the locked folder? Move. We return to this album, and okay, it's loading, but the result is there will be no photos. So if you want to move them back to the album, you need to go to the main photos feed, then add to the album, and then add them. And now we have them again here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.